Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel EDC English Development Center. Today we are learn here subject verb agreement. तो की शिखबो আমরা subject verb agreement, maybe subject verb concord or maybe subject or verb with agreement of subject. Whatever you say, যে কোনো কিছু বলতে হবে subject verb agreement অথবা subject verb concord or verb agreement with the subject, whatever your choice. Okay, तो आज के विषय হচ্ছে subject verb agreement. আমরা তো naturally normally we are know all more or less about the agrees about the subject. So subject as well as you know noun or pronoun is a subject. So let's example, I, we, he, she, it, they, Ram, Sham, whatever noun and pronoun subject. So naturally আমরা জানি noun or maybe subject, any subject. Okay, so I as example, I এর সঙ্গে কি সাবজেক্ট কি ভার্ব এগ্রিজ করে? I am, I was, I have, I had. কিন্তু he is, he was, he has, he had. In this way, so I shall, I will. যখন আমরা we are basically say I will meet with friends today. তো আজই আমার বন্ধুর সাথে মিট করব। তো এরকম ধরনের I, we, he, she, they are, they were, they have, they had. In this way, they will. All those are we are know more or less about the subject verb agreement. Okay, this is the quite exceptional. All boards, CBSE, ICSE and Bengal board, even competitive examination is very important, and side by side spoken language too. Spoken English এর ক্ষেত্রে অনেক সময় ভীষণ ইম্পর্টেন্ট। তো আমরা ন্যাচারালি যদি না জানি ঠিক মতো সাবজেক্ট বা এগ্রিমেন্ট, তাহলে কি করে আমরা পারফেক্ট সেন্টেন্স আমরা মেক করতে পারি। তো অ্যাজ এক্সাম্পল আমরা ন্যাচারালি অনেক সময় ভুল করে থাকি। অ্যাজ এক্সাম্পল, দ্য কন্ডিশন অফ দ্য বুক, দ্য কন্ডিশন অফ দ্য বুক। তো সাম অফ কেউ মনে করতে পারে কন্ডিশন ইজ এ সাবজেক্ট। নো, ইউ মেড এ মিস্টেক। দ্য কন্ডিশন অফ বুকস, এখানে লেক দি সাবজেক্ট আর সাবজেক্টটা অনেক পরে আছে। তো সো দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য এগ্রিজ as a verb. Singular subject is agrees singular verb. যখন সাবজেক্ট সিঙ্গুলার থাকবে তো verb এগ্রি করবে সিঙ্গুলার। the condition of the book is, okay, in this way is the condition of book is, or maybe say the boy who is wearing a blue shirt is my friend. Okay, or maybe say the condition of the book is a good book, or maybe very essential book. Okay, or a good quality. So in this way, some example is there. I say, I hope all of you understand. In the meanwhile, I talking about some of words. Who are not still subscribe my channel, to definitely subscribe. So actually, my dear friend, I am highly impressed and highly impressed if there anybody else subscribe my channel. Actually, it is a free of cost channel, you know, more or less. So যদি তোমরা সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, আমি একটু ইমপ্রেস হই, আর যাতে করে নতুন নতুন ভিডিও আমি তোমাদেরকে শো করতে পারি। আর সবচেয়ে বড় কথা, আমার I have a strongly confident that I teach very well to understand about my courses and whatever I say. তো আশা করি সবাই বুঝতে পারবে। আর যদি না পারো, if you don't understand yet, so definitely write down in any comments on your comments box and send it in there. Okay, so let's start. তো কি বলছিলাম যে সাবস্ক্রাইব করলে আমার ফ্রি অফ কস্টের চ্যানেল। তো সো আমার একটু ভালো লাগে যদি তোমরা সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। তো ওকে, তো লেটস স্টার্ট। ডোন্ট হ্যাভ ওয়েস্ট অফ দ্য টাইম। So as example, the captain as well as all the players is or are. So what will be the verb if agrees in this sentence? The captain as well as all the players are in the playground. So what will be the subverb? Agreed according to subject. তাহলে সবসময় মনে রাখতে হবে as well as, along with এরকম কোনো ফ্রেজ থাকলে তাহলে আমরা কি করব, সব সময় আমরা ফার্স্ট সাবজেক্টে ইউজ করব। all the players, all the, if they are given example, the captain is a singular number and as well as all the players is a plural number. So we will be agrees the subject, first subject, as according to first subject we follow the verb. So all the captain as well as all the players, first subject is singular captain. So আমরা কোন ভার্বটা ইউজ করব, is in the playground. As well as another one, all the players, first subject is the plural, as well as the captain is or are in the playground. So definitely all the players is a plural subject, agrees plural verb. So that is why all the players as well as the captain are in the playground due to first subject agrees. Don't forget first subject agrees করে, as well as I along with they are or were or was. What will be the right answer? So I as well as they, that will become am. কেন? Why I say am as agrees as a subject? Due to first subject I is a singular person, so agrees singular verb. Due to as well as, along with all those are phrase যখন থাকবে তখন ফার্স্ট সাবজেক্টকে আমরা agrees করব। Don't forget. So I as well as they am in the they am playing football. Or same way they as well as I, then that will become where, in the playground. So in this way, why say I am say so? Actually first subject agrees, the as well as, along with all those are phrase in this sentence. So they plural subject, so agrees plural verb. I hope all of you understand. Got it? Okay. So next one, in this way, each, every, either, neither, and in this way all those are as a singular, each, every, either, or and every sense of phrase in this way, any sentence এর মধ্যে, including any sentence, মানে কোন সেন্টেন্স এর মধ্যে is, every, either, another, sorry, is, every, either, neither, nor এরকম থাকলে সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট এক্সিস্ট করবে। আবার কখনো কখনো আমরা দেখব যে each, every, anything, everything, another, something, someone, singular subject, agree, singular subject, so agree singular verb. And as an example, যদি কোনো নাম্বার বা ইউনিট হয়, তো ইউনিট হয় তাহলে কি হবে, প্লুরাল নাম্বার হলেও সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট এক্সিস্ট করবে। অ্যাজ এ এক্সাম্পল, a tale of two cities. So a tale of two cities, someone suppose that কেউ মনে করতে পারে a tale of two cities means plural subject. No, a tale of two cities is a subject or maybe a name of the film. Okay, so that will become is or maybe come has. Okay, so more other also example, a lot of, several, a lot of, many are the singular subject, to every singular verb. Okay, is or am or has in this way agrees করবে। আবার যদি বলি যে a lot of, few, several, both, এগুলো হচ্ছে plural subject to agrees plural verb. So in this way I noted on a board, there are several examples. I make sure all of you understand, and if they don't understand yet, then definitely comments in the comment section, and don't forget subscribe my channel. And I make sure definitely given a very excellent, correct and very knowledgeable video I given to here. Okay, so comes to the point. Here is the example: the old or maybe old man, the old or maybe say man. Okay, the old man is or are, which is the right answer, generally respected. So which will be the right answer? So this is a old man means this is a singular subject. So it is singular verb. This is a is generally respected. So in this way, second one, the poor is a singular subject. Okay, this is a class. Means a immediate class. So old means all old man in the world. Means one thing and one subject in singular subject. So it is singular verb. The poor are is not always dishonest. So the same way, this is a poor is a one thing, one idea. So poor means all over the poor in the world. So this is a one idea. So are is not always dishonest. What will be the right answer? Is the right answer. As an example, rice, pulse, and vegetables, and rice, dal means pulse and vegetables, and spices make or makes. Which will be the right answer? Or is making or are making is a delicious dish. So that will become is making or makes. Why? Singular subject. There are several items. Make a one item. Mean one idea. That will become singular subject, singular verb. It is singular verb. অর্থাৎ rice, pulse, spices, and vegetables make a delicious dish. Okay, as well as water, lemon juice, and also flavor make a delicious, very tasty drinks. So is that will become makes. Due to several items make a one item, that will be called singular subject, every singular verb. Okay, so make a one item, several item, make a one item, one unit, make a hospose. Means as an example, rice, pulse, vegetables, spices make a hospose. So makes a hospose or is making hospose. Hospose মানে খিচুড়ি। এই বর্ষার সময় সুন্দর ভালো লাগবে। Today's weather is rainy day, so I hope all of you make a hospose at your home and eaten up that way very tasty hospose. Okay, let's come to next point. Rita and Shita are two sisters. Rita and Shita. So there are two singular subjects. Rita and Shita joined with and. যদি দুটো সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট জয়েন অ্যান্ড দিয়ে যুক্ত হয়, তো এটা হচ্ছে দ্যাট উইল বিকাম আর। রিতা অ্যান্ড সীতা আর টু সিস্টার ইজ দ্য রাইট আনসার। হিয়ার time and time waits and wait for none. So time and time, these both are things is accumulated same way come time and tide. Okay, তো মানে জোয়ার একই সময় আসে these are time and you need one things and linking another things. Bread and butter, time and tide, there is a driver and conductor, all the senses coming as a single subject, that will become waits is the right answer. Okay, and same another one, the captain, 2 and 2, that will be makes one item, 2 and 2 makes 4, and sometimes some made a mistake, make 4. Then, okay, next one, the captain and the manager. The captain and the manager of the team is are. Which will be the right answer? Is hobe na are hobe? coming. The captain and the manager. Okay, the poet and the headmaster. The poet and headmaster, and the poet and novelist. All are equal. Example: the poet and novelist, the poet and headmaster, the manager, the director, and authority. All those are sales are equal. This one singular subject agrees singular verb. Don't forget at all. Okay. So the captain and the manager both are the same person. Don't forget, both are the same person. So that is why that will come singular subject and agrees definitely what? Singular verb. Okay. The captain and the manager both are the singular subject. Due to captain and manager, same person, don't forget. So that will become is. The captain and the manager. Okay. So you know there are two articles here, and the captain and the manager both are the different person. Due to and previous sentence, the captain and manager of the team is or are coming. So the captain and manager of the team. So here captain and manager both are the same person, as well as the poet and headmaster. If there I say the poet and the headmaster both are the same different person, different subject, plural subject, agrees plural verb. Okay, so that will become are. But in the sense that will become is, due to both are the same person, and the captain and there is a the and the manager both are the different person. So that is why that will become are coming. Next one, my friend and guide. Same questions. My friend and guide both are the same person, singular subject, every singular verb. Don't forget. So that will become friend and guide, same person. Okay, that will become is, guide. Next, the poet and the headmaster both are the different person, different subject, plural subject, agrees plural verb. Plural verb নেবে যখন plural subject থাকবে. So that will become the plural verb. The poet and the headmaster both are the different person. Due to here is a the is the article, definite article, different person. That will become are. Next one, the poet and the statements. Same example. The poet and the statement both are the same person. So that will become has. কেন has আসবে? দুজন ব্যক্তি has singular subject তাহলে তো singular verb আসবে. Don't forget. And if they are made a mistake, your answer will be wrong. So please alert about that. Bread and butter are in favorite food. Bread and butter is a accumulated two things. আমরা যখন ব্রেড খাই তো সেই সঙ্গে বাটার মধ্যে লাগে, and with the sugar very tasty. Okay, so very tasty. And there is a smiling face to come to here. The poet and the statement has same subject, same item, and then bread and butter, single idea, single thing, and bread লাগবে তার সাথে বাটার লাগবে, তো এই জন্য একই same idea. So singular subject that will become is. Singular subject, don't forget singular subject is singular verb, plural subject is plural verb. Next one, slow but steady wins the race. কারণ হচ্ছে এই দুটো মিলে একই সঙ্গে থাকা দরকার, কারণ slow and steady wins the race. কারণ singular subject, singular verb, one item, একটা সময় একটা লিঙ্ক আছে, সেই জন্য এটা হচ্ছে wins. অর্থাৎ if there subject is single, third person singular number means he, she, it, and definitely, and naming words, father, mothers, and also singular subject, every singular verb, bread and slow and steady wins the race. a tale of two cities. দেখলে মনে হচ্ছে টু সিটিজ মিন্স প্লুরাল নাম্বার, নো নো নেভার থিংক সো। কারণ এই টেল অফ টু সিটিজ মানে দুটো শহরের একটা গল্প। সো দ্যাট উইল বিকাম সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট, এর ইজ সিঙ্গুলার ভার্ব, আনসার উইল বিকাম ইজ। And then and Seven Dwarfs. Seven Dwarfs is a film, very famous film. Okay, Seven Dwarfs and were very successful film. Very successful film. Okay, Seven Dwarfs. Okay, this is a singular subject. Seven is a countable. Seven is a number. You suppose that it is a plural subject. Plural verb agrees? No. Not that. কারণ এটা Seven Dwarfs is a only one film and famous film, singular subject, agrees singular verb, that will become was. Next one, seven here, 5 miles is a unit. Miles, 5 is a number, 5 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe suppose that it is a plural form. No. 5 miles is a one unit. But one unit hole eকক. One unit. Kare eta singular subject. It is singular verb. Don't forget all of you. So 5 miles is the verb singular. That will be right answer. Choose so far to walk. Choose so far to walk. The second one. Next one. Challenging. Every people means প্রত্যেক ছাত্র কোন সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে ইচ, এভরি, ইদার, নিদার, নট যদি থেকে থাকে এই সমস্ত ফ্রেজগুলো তাহলে তুমি মনে করবে সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট, এগ্রিজ অলওয়েজ সিঙ্গুলার ভার্ব। সো দ্যাট এভরি পিপল ইজ আ সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার, সো দ্যাট উইল বিকাম হ্যাজ আ বুক। সেকেন্ড ওয়ান, ইচ বয় মানে অনেক ছেলেমেয়েরা আছে ক্লাসে, সমস্ত জায়গায় অল আর সিটিং টুগেদার, তো লট অফ বয়েজ সিটিং টুগেদার। তো অনেক ভালো তার মধ্যে হ্যাঁ এভরি বয়, ইচ বয় ওয়াজ ওয়ার উইকেন্ড। তো ওয়াজ ইজ দ্য রাইট আনসার। এভরি, ইচ, ইদার, all, neither, all, those are every singular subject, but don't forget either or, neither nor. Either or, neither nor থাকলে সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্টকে এগ্রিজ করবে, মানে যেটা কাজের সাবজেক্ট এগ্রিজ করবে। either or, neither nor থাকলে সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্টকে এগ্রিজ করবে। কিন্তু ইচ বয় ইজ আ সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার, প্রত্যেকটা বালকের মধ্যে অনলি ওয়ান বালক, এভরি বয়। ইচ বয় ওয়াজ উইকেন্ড, ওয়াজ ইজ দ্য রাইট আনসার। Someone is a singular subject, waited at the door. Singular subject agrees, singular verb. Someone থাকলো singular subject, agrees singular verb. Someone. Are and is, which will be the right answer? Is the right answer. Due to someone is only one person waiting at the gate door and outside of your room. Okay. Someone is waiting at the door. Is the right answer? Is. Singular subject, agrees, singular verb. Singular subject. Present in singular subject. Either of the two workers, দুজন ওয়ার্কারের মধ্যে একজন, either of the two worker is competent. Neither food nor water. Okay. Neither food nor water, না হয় খাওয়া না জল। Singular subject, agrees singular verb. These are another exceptional words. Monish as well as is example here. Monish is a singular subject. First subject, 1st subject. First subject, এরপর দেখো as well as আছে, যদি as well as next again and the captain along with all the players is are, that will become is. Why? The as well as in this sentence, as well as the first subject agrees করবে। Same way, not only Darshan but also I am are responsible for the ball. So not only but also থাকে সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্টকে এগ্রিজ করবে, আর neither nor either or থাকলে সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্টকে এগ্রিজ করবে। ওকে, neither you nor I, in this way second subject agrees. Okay, I am, that will become. So in this way the not only but also, so not only darshan but also I am, the am is will be the right answer. আর হবে না কেন, সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট সরি ফার্স্ট সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্টকে এগ্রি করবে, নট অনলি থাকবে বাট অলসো পরের সাবজেক্ট যেটা আছে সেটাই এগ্রি করবে। তাহলে এখানে হচ্ছে অ্যাম ইজ রাইট অ্যান্সার। জুরি, ফার্স্ট সাবজেক্ট জুরি, জুরি ইজ আ 5 জন সদস্য দ্বারা নির্মিত একটা আইন। এই আইনের 5 জন যদি সবাই একই রকম মত পোষণ করে তাহলে সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট হবে, সিঙ্গুলার ভার্ব এগ্রি করবে। অ্যাজ এক্সাম্পল দ্য জুরি is are finally completed. So same, jury is a one idea, and this is the collective noun, and jury that will become is finally completed. Okay, it is single subject, but whether jury is a different member means several member and different idea, whether in manifested